Hi everyone, welcome to 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐬 Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you very homey and hearty stewed ribs with potatoes and carrots. Pork ribs in Chinese, 排骨. Let me show you the ingredients. I have about over a pound baby back ribs. You can use spare ribs. We're going to cut it later. And we need some ginger slices. And I have a handful garlic. Just leave them whole like that. For the green onions, we just make into a knot like this. Like that. I have 3 carrots. Let's cut into. And I have 1 potato. It's a huge potato, equal to 2 small potatoes, right? And just whip a little bit. Cut in half. And next I'm going to cut the ribs. This is baby back ribs I got from the Asian market. They always cut lengthwise like this. Actually, it's easier to cut into pieces. Use a paper towel. Just cut between the 2 bones like this. Let me wash my hands. I'm going to show you other spices. So we're going to make into Sichuan flavored. I'm going to use Doubanjiang broad bean paste. That's how my family always makes. And this is Sichuan peppercorns and Shaoxing cooking wine. Now we're ready to cook. So just in cold water, we add ribs. And some Sichuan peppercorns. Few ginger slices. And if you have a Shaoxing cooking wine, add some cooking wine. So this is the first step. We are going to boil the ribs. Now it's boiling. Just make sure you skim the top. So the purpose of this step basically is to remove blood, impurity, and porky taste. So we're going to boil about 5 minutes on high heat. 5 minutes passed. Now I'm going to drain the ribs. I'm heating up the pan to medium-high. Just add vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil, just a little bit. Then we add about a tablespoon Doubanjiang. A little bit more. Ah, smells good already. Aromatic. You can see the oil is getting red. We're going to add Sichuan peppercorns. Garlic. Ginger. Now add our ribs, I already drained. Stir together. Now we add warm water. How much? It's about 4 cups. We need enough liquid so we can cook vegetables later, right? So it's about 3 cups. And also add our green onion, nuts. So we're gonna bring this to boil. Now it's boiling. We also add some salt. You can always adjust later. And now we cover it. Turn to medium low. Cook about 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes passed. Now it's time to add our vegetables. Let's turn the heat to high. Add our carrots. Should be enough, right? Seems a lot of vegetables. I'm probably going to use half of them. Potato. Good. Let me just taste this soup. See how seasoning is. Good. Need a little bit salt. Now we cover it. Cook about 20 to 25 minutes until the vegetables are soft. To turn the heat to medium low. We'll be back. After 20 minutes, let's check on our stew. And let's turn the heat to high. We'll let the liquid evaporate and thicken. Potato is soft. Let me taste it. Wow, hot, temperature hot. Just need a little bit salt. So we'll let this cook about 5 more minutes. After a few minutes, our stew is ready. Let's take a close look at our stew. Wow. Potatoes so soft. Carrots. Let me try our rib. Can even put a sauce over your rice. Or you can serve with noodles. I'm ready to eat. Time to eat. Let me try the rib. So tender, off the bone. Potato, so soft. Sweet carrot. Great combination. This is exactly how my family makes. So homey. If you like a Sichuan food, really worth buying a jar of Doubanjiang and Sichuan Peppercorns. I also have links in my description box. You can check it out if you cannot find a store near you. And please leave me a comment below. Let me know what's your favorite stew. I also have stewed beef served with noodles. You can also serve this with noodles. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.